Blocking someone on Wise can help you manage your contacts and ensure your transactions are secure. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the Wise app. Launch the Wise app on your mobile device or access the Wise website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Contacts. Go to the Contacts section of the app or website. This is where you can view all your saved contacts and recent transactions. Step 3. Find the user. Scroll through your contacts or use the search function to locate the person you want to block. Click on their name to access their profile. Step 4. Block the user. Once you are on the user's profile, look for the option to block or remove them. This may be represented by a button or a menu option. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify the block. After blocking, check your contacts list to ensure the user is no longer visible. You may also want to review your transaction history to confirm that no further interactions can occur. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Wise and maintain control over your financial interactions.